ghosts.
We're here in New Zealand.
Of Sheep
Welcome
World.
to my home. This is where I live now. I moved here and my family are visiting, so we're gonna hunt some ghosts. We're here in New Zealand on our first stop of many. We're investigating some alpacas currently to see if they could be haunted.
Hello.
I don't think he likes you.
Sheep.
Are you haunted?
They're taking no notice of
I don't think it's haunted. I think they've been possessed. They aren't. They're just completely still while we're giving this cow some food. Hello, are you haunted?
And then you got Luno DK, Donkey Kong, DK, Donkey Kong is here. There we go. That's the right length.
We're here at a very special location.
Hello, Darcy.
Time to find out. Is Hobbiton haunted?
I have a rash under my left nipple. Hello, I'm the Hobbit. This is Matthew reporting for Blue Creek TV. We're in Hobbiton, and I found tracks of non-Hobbit-sized feet.
What could that be?
Ghosts.
Here we are at the
Okay.
bag end itself.
Wow,
It's a shame we forgot the Ouija board. No ghosts in sight. I think this is all clear.
Oh, I can hear a Sackville Baggins.
Goodness gracious me. Oh, it's a video.
I wanted a video.
Confound it, Samwise Gamgee. Have you been eavesdropping
I haven't
again?
been dropping no eaves, sir. I've just been trimming these grass. If you'll follow me. Your fancy airs, you can take them by the flagon, but the only brew for the brave and true is served at the Green Dragon.
Excuse me, sir. Are you haunted? Probably not.
I found Daffy's ghost.
How was that? It's not even a real sewer. I don't know what you're complaining about. We're here at Satan's butthole. It's all steamy and bubbly. Probably demons, but no ghosts. So we're not interested in demons. With the deer, they don't appear to be haunted.
He's a sheep, Darcy.
Hey, go on.
Rub your fingers out.
Yeah.
Are you a ghost? We're asking animals if they're ghosts.
I was videoing that. Alright, boobies. We done goofed and we thought it would be okay. I saw someone on the internet that. Oh, but just be a moment, we're just doing a test.
This is called a gangbang in America.
What?
Oh, yeah, it's like a drive-by, it's a gangbang.
America's weird. Some dude went into one of these buildings and he thinks that it might be haunted because he set up like a torch trap so the ghosts could like light the torch to indicate their presence, and they like shoved it off the roof. So I don't own a torch, but I do have something else that lights up my life, and that is Lego Island 2 on Game Boy Color.
That's a genuine copy, it costs £5 on Alibaba.
Ghosts, if you are here, turn on my Game Boy and light up my life.
That's off.
Oh, that's the volume.
Wait, that's turned on.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's actually... We found ghosts.
Oh, okay, Darcy. Why don't we explore the entire village? I heard that it looked a lot like Sheep World.
That's very true. This village is populated entirely with sheep.
Yeah.
Let's go. What's the time? I don't have a watch, but it's the future. We've made it to 2020 and Gag and Liv are still stuck in the last decade, so we might need to do a rescue mission.
Game Boy, more like ghost. Are you a ghost? Oh my god.
We found a blessed animal. It's the emu. We finally found the one haunted animal here.
Yeah, it's these sheep. They look like dinosaurs, but like crap. It's like if a raptor and a muppet had sex.
That's not a ghost. It's a Viking. What do you mean? Is this what Bukuru's become? Huh?
This is what Bukuru's become.
Disgusting. Bukuru is the best, high quality entertainment. Buy our merch. It's Bukuru on Redbubble and Spreadshirt. You gotta pad it out, okay? 10 minutes, then you get to put ads.